Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to find median of grouped data. This is a part of chapter 14 statistics. From this chapter, we have already done how to find mean and mode of grouped data. So the links I have already shared in the description. If you have not seen those videos, you can check out those videos also. Now let's start with the median. So median, it's a measure of central tendency which gives us the value of the middlemost observation in the data. So middlemost you have to focus. If I have one data, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the marks of the students, I assume. So I have to focus on the middle term. See, total number of terms you can see 5 and 2 terms are here, 2 terms are on this side and 4 is the middle term. So this middle term, it's the median of the given data. So this concept we have already done in class 9th also. See, this is ungrouped data, and the same concept we have done in class 9th, but in class 10th we have to do median of grouped data. So this concept, by just looking at the given data, you can find the mean, and different formulas were there for even number of terms and for odd number of terms. But now we are going to discuss how to find median of grouped data. So to find median, we have one formula. So directly we can use formula and find the median. So same way, if class intervals are given to you, that means the data is grouped data. So median, it is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is the formula of median, where L it is equal to lower limit of median class. See, in mod, we were finding the location of model class before starting with the question. Same way, while solving for median, we will look out for the median class. So L, it's the lower limit of the median class. N, because we have to take n by 2. So n means total number of terms, or frequency also you can say. So it is total number of terms. CF. CF, it is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Preceding the median class. See, CF, you just have to remember one thing. CF, it is the total frequency. Total frequency, once we do the question, you will understand the meaning of CF, cumulative frequency. As of now, you can just remember that it is total frequency. So here we are taking cumulative frequency. In this formula, it is frequency preceding the median class, or preceding the frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. F. So F, it is frequency of median class. And H, it is, we can say, it's the height of the class interval or difference of the class interval. It is same as we have already done in mod also. So same thing, height of the class interval. For example, if the class interval is 10 to 15, if the class interval is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, if it's given in this way, then height will be 5. So it's a difference of the class interval. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 10 minus 5 is again 5. So height is h is height of the class interval. Once again we'll revise the formula. Median, it is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Now let's do one question of median so that we'll understand the concept in a better way. So this is the first question of exercise 14.3. So in this question, this data has been given to us. Here it's monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers is given to us, and for this data we have to find mean, mode and median. So mean and mode you guys have to find yourself. I have already explained how to find mean and mode. So here I will explain you how to find median. You can find the answers for mean and mode and post your answers in the comment section also. So here one new thing we have learned, which is cumulative frequency. So that time I have told you while doing question, I will explain you what is cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency means total frequency. See, for this interval 65 to 85, your total frequency it is 4. So first frequency, it will always remain same. So whenever you are making you are writing cumulative frequencies, whichever is the first frequency, it will always remain same. So that's why I have written 4 here also. Second one, see second, if you see class interval, it's still 105. So you have to write the frequencies till 105, which means total frequency. See, this is the interval 85 to 105, but we have to write all the frequencies till this number. So till this number means we have to do addition of these two frequencies, or sideways it will always be better to remember. 4 plus 5 it is 9. See, now if you see total frequency till 105 it is 9. So that's what I have explained you. Cumulative frequency means total frequency. Total frequency till this number, till the, see this is the lower limit and this is the higher limit of the class interval. So whichever interval you are taking, so cumulative frequency is the total frequency till that interval, till that limit of the interval. Now third one we have to take 105 to 125. But in cumulative frequency, it means we have to take all the frequencies till 105. So all the frequencies means we have to add all these. So slant ways we can add. Same way 9 plus 13. Because see, if you add in this way also, 4 plus 5 plus 13, it will be same. So it's better to add in slant way. So 9 plus 13 you can write 22. Now cumulative frequency till 145. Till 145 means again you have to add these two. If you want like this also, you can add all the frequencies like 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20, and this way also you can do. So 22 plus 20 it is 42. So cumulative frequency till 145 is 42. Now cumulative frequency till 165. Again this way we will add 14 plus 42, it is 56. Now cumulative frequency till 185 plus 56 plus 8, so it is 64. Cumulative frequency till 205, it is 64 plus 4, it is 68. See, I have explained you first cumulative frequency, it will be same to this one, and the last cumulative frequency, it will be equal to the total frequency. See, total frequency it is 68 and last one it is equal to 68. So if it's not equal to this one, that means you have done some mistake. So you have to see once again, last frequency it will always be equal to the total of all the frequencies. Now let's find out. See, median formula we already know. Let's find out all the terms now. So formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into H. So this whole term, it is one single term. Now L. So like I explained you, first of all we have to find the median class. So median class from n by 2 we have to locate. First thing which we have to find is n by 2. So n is the total frequency or total number of terms which is equal to 68. So n, you can remember that it's the total frequency or total number of terms. So 68 by 2. 68 by 2, it is 34. Now n by 2 is 34. We can write here n by 2 is 34. Now your median class, you have to see which the frequency, cumulative frequency, which is greater than 34. Here if you see greater than 34, it is 42. So whatever your n by 2 is, you have to see in cumulative frequency which frequency is greater than n by 2. So we have seen n by 2 is 34 and the term and the number or cumulative frequency which is greater than n by 2 is 42. So the interval which you see just opposite to this 42, it is the median class. So median class, it is 125 to 145. Median class. Once again I will explain you. Once you find n by 2, say n by 2 in cumulative frequency, you have to see all the frequency and look out for the frequency which is greater than n by 2. So n by 2, it is 34. If you see greater than 34, it is 42. See nearest greater you have to choose. You cannot choose 56. See all these are greater. 56 also greater, 64 is also greater and 68 is also greater. But you have to choose the nearest greater. See nearest greater is 42. So that's why just opposite to 42 you have to see it is 125 to 145. So lower limit, it's L, it's the lower limit of median class. This is a median class. So L, it is equal to 125. This is lower limit and this is higher limit of the class interval. So lower limit, this one we have to choose. N by 2 we have already found. Nice. Now CF. CF, it's the cumulative frequency preceding to the frequency of median class. See, you have to choose cumulative frequency. This is median class. So while explaining formula, I have explained you it is the frequency preceding to the frequency of median class. So don't choose this one because we have to choose from CF. CF means only cumulative frequency we have to choose, but the frequency which is preceding means previous, which is previous frequency of the median class. So it is 22. Or you can also remember it by like when you have done n by 2, you have chosen greater number, then while choosing CF you have to choose the previous number of this, the number which you have chosen while finding the median class. So CF, it is 22. See, it's previous of 42, previous frequency. Now frequency. So frequency we have to choose from this column. This is cumulative frequency and this is frequency. So frequency, it's a frequency of the median class. So it will be 20 because this is a median class and this is the frequency of median class. H, it's the height of the interval. You can see in all the intervals 65 to 85, 85 to 105, there is a difference of 20. So which means height is equals to 20. Now we have got all the values, we can just substitute in the given formula and find the median. So median is equals to L. So directly I will write it down now. L, it is equal to 125 plus n by 2 is 34 minus CF, it is 22 upon F, it is 20 into H, which is again 20. So 125 plus 34 minus 22, it is 12. 12 by 20 into 20. So this 20 and this 20, because these terms are getting multiplied, so this 20 and this 20, they will get cancelled. We are left with 125 plus 12. So it is 137. So median of the given data is equal to 137. We just have used this formula, and first of all we had to find cumulative frequency, and then we can substitute all these terms in this formula and we can find the median. See, in all the questions we have to use this formula in order to find the median. Now let's do the second question of the exercise. In the second question, median is already given to us. Median, it is 28.5, and we have to find the values of x and y. So same way we will do. First of all, we'll find all the terms n by 2, CF, F, L and H. Then because median is already given to us, so we will use again the formula of median and we will find the values of x and y. So let's start. The first step whenever we are calculating median, it is to find cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, like I have told you in the previous question also, first it will remain same, then slant like this you can keep on adding. So it will be, because we don't know the value, so we can write 5 plus x. Now slant addition we have to do. So 20 plus 5, so it will be 25 plus x. Again this addition we have to do. 25 plus 15, 40 plus x. Again this way we have to add. So because number is not there, so we can write 40 plus x plus y. Then this way, like this, we have to add again. Only slant addition we are doing. So 40 plus 5, it is 45 plus x plus y. So I have already explained to you, first term it will be equal to first term of the frequency, and the last term it will be equal to the total of the frequency. Like the total frequency, it is 60, which means 45 plus x plus y, it is also equal to 60. So last cumulative frequency, it's a total of frequency, and first one it is same. So now let us find all the terms which we have to use in the formula. So first of all we'll find n by 2. See, n it's given 60, n is total frequency or total number of terms, so it is 60. So 60 by 2, it is 30. Now n by 2, it is 30. So we have to find the median class after finding n by 2. So a little more value in cumulative frequency. See, if we see cumulative frequency, we have to look out for a value which is greater than n by 2. So let us assume that 25 plus x. So 25 plus x, we have to assume it is greater value than n by 2. You can assume this also, but see, our value of x, it can also be, because in 25 if we add something, it can be greater than 3, it can be greater than 30. So that's why we have to choose this one, 25 plus x. So just in front of this we have to see the class. So class interval, it is 20 to 30. So which means L is equals to lower term of this. See, this is the median class, and lower term of the median class, it is 20. So L is equal to 20. Now n by 2 we have got 30, L we have got 20. Because just opposite to this term we have to look out for a class interval. That class interval, it is median class, and the lower limit of median class, it is L. Now see, we'll write the formula of median over here. So median, it is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we have got L, we have got n by 2 and CF. CF, let's see. CF, I have told you, it's the previous value of this. So directly we can write CF, it is equals to 5 plus x. So you can remember in this way, the frequency, the cumulative frequency which is opposite to median class, you have to choose the previous frequency and this frequency will be the cumulative frequency. So here, so previous one because you have to choose. Now F frequency. So frequency, it is the frequency of median class. So this just opposite to this class interval, whichever frequency. So once again frequency you have to choose from this given data, and CF cumulative frequency you have to choose from this. So F is equals to 20. H, height of the class interval, you can see it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So in each interval you can see a gap of or a difference of 10, which means height is equals to 10. Now we can substitute all these values in this formula and we can find the values of x and y. So let's start. Median, it is already given to us, it is 28.5. So let's write it down, 28.5. L is equals to 20 plus n by 2, it is 30 minus CF. CF, it is 5 plus x. Then F, it is 20. H is 10. See here I have written all the values, I am just substituting in the formula. So this 20 we can shift to this side because it is getting added. So on shifting the side or changing the side, this, because this is a positive 20, if we change the side it will be changed to minus 20. So that side, simple, everything remaining, all the remaining terms we have to write, which is 30 minus, we can open this bracket now. See, there is minus sign outside the bracket. So 30 minus 5, minus plus is minus. So this plus sign will again, it will be changed to minus. And you can always remember, whenever minus sign is there outside the bracket, inside sign it will get changed. So you can write 30 minus 5, this plus will be changed to minus. I have already explained the logic also, because minus plus is minus, so that's why. Over 20 into 10. This 0 and this 0, 0 and 0 we can cancel. So 28.5 minus 20, if you do the subtraction you will get 8.5 is equals to 30 minus 5, because all the like terms we can do. 30 minus 5, it is 25, minus x we can write as it is, because here we are left with only 1. So if we multiply 1 with all the terms, we will get the same terms. If any other number is there, then you have to multiply this number with all the given terms. Now it's 1, so if we multiply it will remain same. So here we can write 2. Now this 2, it is getting divided this side. We can just shift it to other side and it will get multiplied on changing the side. So we are left with 8.5 into 2 is equals to 25 minus x. So 8.5, if you multiply it with 2, you will get 17, because you will get 170, but there is one decimal, so you have to put decimal over here. So if decimal is there and after decimal 0 is there, so no need to write the decimal, simple number you can write. So 17, it is equals to 25 minus x. Because we have to calculate the value of x, so we'll keep x on this side and this number will shift to other side. So this is plus 25, on shifting this side it will be changed to minus 25. Minus 25 is equals to minus x. 17 minus 25. 17 minus 25, because 17 is positive and 25 is negative. Plus minus is always minus with a sign which is with a bigger number. So 25 minus 17, it is minus 8, because with 25 we have minus sign. Minus 8 is equals to minus x, so this minus sign and this minus sign, it will get cancelled, so we will get x is equals to 8. Now we have found the value of x, which is equal to 8. So here I have explained you that the last term of the, because we have to find the values of both x and y. We have found the value of x, but we have to find the value of y also. Here I have explained you the last term of cumulative frequency, it is equal to total frequency. So this relation we already got. 45 plus x plus y, it is equals to 60, because this is the last term of cumulative frequency and it is equal to this one. So 45, we have already found the value of x, which is 8. We can substitute the value of x here. X is equals to 8 plus y is equals to 60. So 45 plus 8, it is 53. 53 plus y is equals to 60. Now we need to find the value of y. So y will keep on this side and 53 will shift to other side. So here 53 is in positive form. So on changing the side, it will be changed to minus 53. So in one step I am doing, you have to do in next step. So y is equals to 60 minus 53, which is equals to 7. So we have found the values of x and y. X is equals to 8 and y is equals to 7. So this was the question. We had to find the values of x and y, and median was already given to us. Same way we have done, we have used the formula of median. So this is the formula. Now let's do the next question. So before doing the next question, I want to give you one relation, which is 3 times of median, it is equal to mod plus 2 times of mean. So in few questions they will ask you to find all the 3 measures. They will tell you to find median, mod and mean. So after calculating, you can always check the relation. So if you are getting 3 times of your median equal to mod plus 2 times of mean, that means you have found the correct values. Now let's do the next question. In the next question, I just want you guys to explain one thing. See, in questions of mean, you have to apply this in questions of median, you have to apply this formula in all the questions. L plus n by 2 minus CF, the formula which we have done in the previous questions also. See, 7 questions are there. Just try all the questions, and if you are getting any doubts, you can post in the comment section. So 2 things I want to explain you. In the next question, class interval, it's given to you in this way: below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35. So in this way it's given to you. Whenever it is given in this way, you can change it. It will be below 20 means 0 to 20. So below 25, so accordingly you can change. So 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50 and 50 to 55. So in this way you can change the class interval whenever it is given in this way. It can also be in the form of above or below. Mostly it will be given you in this form only, but sometimes if it is given in this way, you can change in this way, because so in order to find the value of L, you need the class interval in this way. So median class, it should always be in this way. So now this is given to in this way, so change it to in this form. And in the next question, see next to this one, see this thing we have already discussed while doing mean. If you see these 2 terms, these are not same. But these 2 terms, they should always be in same. See 0 to 20. So 20, if 20 is there, here it should also be 20. But here if you see 118 to 126, then here 127. So there is a difference of 1, you can see. So in this type of class interval, you have to do one thing. From lower limit, you have to subtract 0.5. And from higher limit, you have to add 0.5. So this is very simple. In mean also we have done. So if you subtract 0.5 from 118, it will be 117.5. If you add, it will be 126.5. So now whichever, say you have got this term, here it will be same. So directly you can write 126.5. So here here you have to add, so you can write 135, because addition is simple, directly you can write 135. If you are adding 0.5, it will be 135.5. now this next term, this will be same to the lower limit of next class interval, so directly you can write this is 144, so 144.5. so here it will be 144.5 minus 153.5. So 153.5 minus 162.5, because these two terms, they have to be same. So in this way you can subtract 0.5 from here and you have to add 0.5 here. So only in first term you have to do, see these two terms they are same, directly you can keep on writing. So with this, the concept of median is completed, and we have successfully completed all the three measures of central tendencies: mode, mean and median. So I have already shared the link in the description of mean and mode also. You can check out those videos also. I hope you have understood the concept, and if you have any doubts you can post in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.